Shaira going to travel. Explain where you go, Shaira.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Saturday morning and we're going to Dingalan, Aurora, and I'm go with my friends and my cousins. Let's go.
So you use like passenger.
Yes.
Which motor you show? This motor. Okay, you can sit, Shaira. You go with your cousin.
Yes.
Cousin from Manila, yes? Cousin from Manila. How many motors, Shaira?
1, 2, 3.
3 motors. How
Yes.
many kilometers?
I don't know, but it's 3 hours.
3 hours, right? Okay.
3 hours driving.
This Shaira sister, Yamaha Aerox, and another motor. It's Yamaha. What name?
NMAX.
NMAX. Yamaha NMAX. Good looking. NMAX. So 3 hours, right?
Yeah, 3 hours. Right.
Three
But
to
we,
four.
we can take at least 2.
Okay, safe ride.
Hi guys, we just stop over only here in La Paz, Tarlac, and later we're going to drive again. And we're going to buy some like drinks only, like coffee. Hi guys. Hi guys. Ganda ng bahay, no? So we're here in Nueva Ecija already, and we just stop over also. Sabi neto, just eat some mami. Malaki daw yung size niyo. Kailan kami dadaan doon? Hi. We just bought some mami. Beef mami. And worth of 50 pesos. Hi guys! We're here in... Ano tayo? Saan tayo? Nueva Ecija! Nueva Ecija! Pag nakapano na sa Let's go! So good here. Woo! That's so good place here, guys. They have also some. You can swim here also. Ooh, yes.
Ilang aso yun? Puta, sila nagulat.
Kinabahan! Oh, pero magkano tayo? Ay, gagaling tayo. Ay, 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 tibel, tibel.
Oy, doon ang maano.
Nakakatakot naman yung tete.
Takot kayo ni Mama Lugi.
Uy, 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 parang malalaglag tayo.
1, 2, 3. Papalayin, yapin papalayin.
So guys, we're here already in Gabaldon. Gabaldon. At si Diyos sa akin. Gabaldon. I love Dinggalan. Hi!
Kaya ka na ba? Sige. We're going to Grotto. Hi guys. So we're going in the top, in the grotto here in Dinggalan. So hi. The top of grotto already. And little bit tired because we're long time sit, and then we fast walk so many steps, and you can see the sun. Oh, big wind. And they have the statue of Mama Mary here. the other tourist spot here. If you want to take some video or take some picture.
Bayad na ba kayo?
So this is the sea here, or seaside. You can stay here or you can sit, and even maybe you can swim also here. What I see, it's maybe it's if you use the boat here to go to travel to another place. Oh yes, it's same. So guys, we're just walking more, and what the motor is. Huh? Kasi senyor nasa baba. We need to go there in the top. Huh? So guys, we need to more walk. That's good here, but lit so hot only because we use this. So guys, we're going to falls right now, and we're going down, and we pay for the motor fee is 20 pesos per vehicle, and the food also here, but maybe you need next time you want to go here, better you take some food because they sell only some street food here and chips.
Panahin mo upot ha, lampak ko mo. Oo naman nalalampak ko mo punta may straight. Bala mo na yung asawa mo lampayang. Hindi ka makapasok.
Balik si ma'am.
Ay! Ay!
Ayun o, tinawag niyo yung tropa eh. Yung Vietnamese ka na. Ayun o, sige.
Ako na
Okay
lang.
lang yan ma'am, hindi yan mga...
Ala na yan, okay na.
Okay na yun. So,
Pwede na kayo sa rooftop, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you po.
Tapos baba kayo second floor mamaya pagkayarin yung mag-picture.
Okay po.
Ay, hindi ko tuloy sa puya na lang.
Say hi!
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Tagaytay talaga ang first.
So
Pero
this is
ano
it
lang kasi
guys.
mababa. Ito ang takas oh.
Saan?
Mababa lang po.
Ito na?
Opo, yan. Pero kung magpipicture pa po ma'am.
Hindi na. Dala cellphone namin, okay na po.
Okay na po to.
Naiiyak ko. Ayun, dito ka, te. This is it.
Hi!
Lord, guide us.
We went up from there. There. Can you see that? Down there, up to here. And we're going to do zip line. Yes. And we'll eventually go there on the other side.
Ma'am, di na kaya.
Hindi ba, sigaw niyo na lang.
Dito po kami.
Opo, dyan lang.
Pati ba yung
Dyan lang po. Sige
Oh
po.
my
Hindi
God.
na po.
Ma'am, forward kayo para... Hindi kayo
Kuya,
Bakit ma'am?
sasalo ba dito sa amin?
Meron ma'am sasalo dyan.
Alam, mahawakan ko ba ito? Tama bang desisyon dinala natin to?
Yes ma'am.
Naiiyak ko.
Sige po. Yung nahawak. Habang
Ako na gusto mo ba?
Angat na.
Mag-forward po tayo.
Ikaw na humawak?
Sige, okay lang. Basta nakabidyo ka dyan.
Kuya, paano ako makakahawak na ito? Pwede isa lang hawak ko dito?
Pwede ma'am na ganyan. Basta ayan.
Hawak ka na lang.
Ano?
Ayan. Mabibitawan, sigurado yan. Yan, forward na ma'am. Forward na ba?
Ma'am, sabay tayo pa.
Sige ma'am, hangin niyo po yung paa niyo po. Hangin niyo po ha. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay lang mama, okay lang?
Okay lang.
Ano isis lang mama. Okay, babalik po kayo sa gitna. May pang-picture po kayo ma'am?
Wala eh, okay na.
Wala.
Ano po bang pa-picture yan?
Hindi ko alam. Binibit ko lang to.
Picture mo ma'am. Kaya sir, picture mo.
Hindi, itutok mo na lang sa amin.
Pag ito na lang.
Screenshot
Ayan,
na
tapos
lang.
screenshot na lang.
So, ito lang yan.
Yan, okay na yan.
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay na yan. Okay, thank you so much.
Doon taas.
Woo.
Hindi kayo makapaningan. Hindi nag-enjoy dito, inuulit ko eh.
Hindi, nag-enjoy pala kami. Sobrang enjoy pala to.
Tuwa nga kami.
Hindi niyo ba narinig yung sigaw namin? Muntik na kami mag-happy birthday dito sa tuwa.
Mag-sis lang mama. Yung kabila ako. Parang hindi ko namin bigyan mo. Titingnan lang. Sige ma'am.
Di, okay na yan, kuya. Panoorin mo tong video, kuya. Malakas. Thank you po. Buhay kami.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you. Hello, shit. We're safe.
Saan tayo dadaan?
Ma'am, bali yung sa road po. Doon po mapunta kang doon po yung guided naman.
Sige po. Thank you po. So, yeah. Look at our... So, we're heading to the... Where were we heading? To the hanging bridge. So, that way.
This way daw.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys.
Thank you for watching. Guys, we're heading to the hanging bridge. So this is the hanging bridge after we went to the zip line. Oh! Nakakahilo pala to. It makes you dizzy. My gosh. other side and on the other side. Of course, it's me. Yeah, we're here. So bye-bye. Hi everyone. We just finished already and thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.